Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Leads Lead review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more affiliate commissions have recently come in. So I'm live in my members area. I'm just going to refresh the page. And this is my account overview. This row here, it says total income $1,392. More importantly, in this video, I want to show you how, even as a free member, that's how I started with Leads Leap. I'll go into the pro versus free table here. So when you scroll down, so the left-hand column here are all the benefits and features that you get as a free member, and the right-hand column is pro. When we scroll all the way down here, you'll see affiliate commissions here. So it says 25% recurring. So if you're a free member and you promote Leads Leap, then if any of your referrals upgrade to Pro, you'll earn 25% recurring commission. That's how I started. Then what I recommend you do is go Pro if you can afford it straight away. If not, promote as a free member and then upgrade to Pro. Then you get 50% monthly recurring commissions as well. So you'll see here, get your free membership. So it's a free lifetime membership. It can be free for life if you wish to stay as a free member. All you do is go into the link in the description, get your free membership, just username, email, first name, password, sign up, and then you're going to get access to your members area. Now the great thing about Leads Leap is you're going to get every single tool to make money online. You're also going to get traffic to your website as well. And the traffic is superb. It's you get traffic from all over the internet with the collaborations that the owners do. So come down here. If you want to learn a bit more about it, click on here, how do I get traffic? And 4 different ways there to generate traffic and leads. If you want to learn how to make money, click on here and it'll show you the 5 different ways that you can make money with Leads Leap. And then we've got the list builder, the page builder, pop-up creator. If you want to track your results, so you get everything you need here to become successful. Now, what I like about Leads Leap, one of the great features that I like is what's called share codes. So this is a page. I use Leads Leap to create lead capture pages and funnels, and you can clone any member of Leads Leap will give you their share codes. Now, a share code is really just this code here in blue. And all you would do to clone any of my pages or any of the other pages by a Leads Leap member is just you would copy and paste that into your Leads Leap members area. And then these pages will be cloned to you. And all you do then is put your affiliate links into here. And then you can start to earn the commissions. And this is a welcome page that I'm on now. And you can even clone the email follow-ups. So it's a really is a great feature that sets Leads Leap up there with the best of the tools and resources. I do video tutorials on my pages to show you how to clone the page and put your affiliate links in. But it's perfect for beginners. If you're brand new, these tools and resources are absolutely superb. I'm also going to give you at the end of the video a full video tutorial training series. So that's the share code. Now, what I also want to show you is a lead capture page that I created. So share codes for that. Now the email autoresponder. What I like about it is that you can get a free list builder, and then if you upgrade, you can just pay one fixed price for unlimited subscribers. So if you're looking for great value, We're not here to say bad things about other autoresponders, but if you're looking around and you're searching for value, you will notice that some of the other autoresponders, the more subscribers that you get, the monthly price goes up. So the reason I joined Leads Leap is because it's just a one fixed price for unlimited subscribers. So all autoresponders work. They're all brilliant. Just choose the one that you can afford to suit your budget. Now, what you'll see here is, if I get my little pencil out, what you'll see here is that the Leads Leap autoresponder, it's called SendSteed. It's built into the Leads Leap platform. And what you'll see here is that this is one of my click engine email series that I created. And what you'll see here is that the open rate, so my pencil's a little bit slow here, but you'll see here this was sent to 686 prospects, and it's been opened in this column here by 285. So what that means is that the deliverability goes into the inbox and not the spam. There's a very high deliverability with the Leads Leap, SendSteed, autoresponder, and list builder. And then what that means is that when you start getting opens, you start getting clicks. So choose an autoresponder that's going to get into the inbox, not the promotions folder, not the spam. And then you consistently, this is an email series, it automates your follow-ups, but these are sort of, I'd say they're probably above average open rates and click rates. But the key thing is you need to be getting clicks. And then when you start to get clicks, then you can start to generate and earn commissions. So I'll just give you a couple of examples. So I just showed you one here. This is a Warrior Plus product I promote called the Click Engine. Now, if you go into my Warrior Plus account, you'll see my sales are over $22,000. I've earned over $11,000 in commissions, and I've sold 2,544 products. But I've generated these results using the Leads Leap tools and traffic, email autoresponder series. So I highly recommend Leads Leap tools and traffic because it works. And if you go onto my YouTube channel, onto my playlist, you'll see that with Prosperity Marketing System, I've used the Leads Leap tools. I've created lead capture pages. I've got an email series following up. I use the traffic, and I've turned a $12 product in total, $12 a month product in total earnings to $11,500. So the tools and the email autoresponder and the traffic, superb value, and they work. So I use them every single day for all the results you'll see on my YouTube channel. There'll be a link in the description. I want to give you this Leads Leap training course. Excuse me. Excuse me. So if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, or you want to learn how to use Leads Leap and get the best from all the different features, this is a great training course that will help you. Because when you first join, you first come into your members area. Let's have a look back over here. When you first come into your members area down here on the left-hand side, it's quite a lot of information. You can sometimes get a bit overwhelmed. But our video tutorial will teach you how to use the list manager, build an email series, how to create lead capture pages, pop-ups, everything you need in this training course here, how to use the traffic. So I'll put a link in the description where you can get this training course here, and this will serve you well to get the best out of Leads Leap. And if you get stuck with anything, just send me an email. My email address will be in the description, and I can help you out. Now you do also have, if you like to learn, different learning styles for different people. If we go back onto the dashboard here. So if you like to learn through reading text and images, then up here you've got tutorials. So it says here tutorials. So they do what's called side-by-side tutorials. So let's say if you want to build a lead capture page, you put into the search window there, lead capture page. I've set up a list check. How to build a page here. So how to build a page. And then what you've got down here is you've got these video and text tutorials. So if that's your learning style, I like to learn through video, but some people like to learn through reading and images. So if that's your learning style, it will teach you step by step there how to create, how to build a page. So everything's there that you need. You can either use the tutorials within the Leeds Elite members area, or you can use our free video tutorial training series. So there will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. It's just for educational purposes only. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. If you'd like to see some more videos on how to make money online from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new uploads. Currently, I'm doing several new uploads every week. If you've got any questions about Leeds Elite, put those in the comments below. I will answer your questions for you, and you can just join for free. So I recommend, let's go back to, I think it's this page, where is it here? So I recommend that you just get your free lifetime membership, log in, get your log in here, and then just come and have a look around, and just come and play around, and have a look down here in the menu. If you want to promote as an affiliate, there's some more affiliate links and tools down here. So there's some free ebooks here you can use to promote. There's a giveaway report. There's an advertising report. So there's lots of different tools and resources you can use to promote as an affiliate if you want to start earning some affiliate commissions. But I recommend just using the tools anyway, because they're absolutely superb. You get great value, and you can even start to use them as a free member for any offer that you're promoting online. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.